In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Brevo contacts efficiently, whether you're managing a small list or dealing with a vast database. This process is designed to be straightforward from start to finish. Let's delve into the steps to make sure you can effortlessly handle your contact data. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Brevo's official website. Brevo is browser-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble accessing it through common browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Now, it's time to enter your account credentials. This is a crucial step, as you'll need to be logged in to access all the functionalities. If you've forgotten your password, there's always the option to reset it directly from the login page. Once you've successfully logged into your Brevo account, navigate to the Contacts section. This is the heartbeat of your account, where all your stored contact data resides. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if it's been a while since your last visit. Now, let's get into the actual exporting process. You need to decide which specific contacts you want to export. Are you looking to extract your entire contact list, or are you interested in only a select group of individuals? Brevo's convenient filter options make it simple to narrow down your selections, ensuring you only export the data you truly need. Once you have your contacts selected, the next step is to choose which contact details or attributes you want to include in your export file. Standard attributes usually comprise email addresses, first and last names, and perhaps phone numbers if you've been capturing that information. Tailoring these details to fit your needs provides flexibility in how you manage your contact information externally. Before finalizing the export, you need to decide on the character that will separate the data fields in your CSV file. This might sound technical, but it's just a matter of choosing a separator that suits how you intend to use the data. The common choices are commas, semicolons, or tabs. Each one has its typical use scenario, with commas being the most widely used. When you're all set with your selections, go ahead and click the Export button. This step initiates the process of pulling your contact data into a file. Depending on the size of your data, the exporting can take a little time, but usually it's pretty swift. Finally, once Brevo completes the export, you'll receive a notification. Be sure to check your notifications center where you can easily download the CSV file. After downloading, you'll have a comprehensive file ready for all your analytics and business requirements. And there you have it. With these steps, exporting your contacts from Brevo should be a breeze.